Hi friends, welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. As per the result of the poll that I posted, our cue card is: describe a decision made by others or someone that you disagreed with. What the decision was, what did you do, why you disagreed, what was the outcome. Before answering this cue card, I am going to tell you some vocab words, idioms or phrases that are being used for this answer. So, our first word is hard to digest. It means difficult to accept. When something happens that we find difficult to accept, so that time we can use this word hard to digest. Our second word is a myriad of, which means many. You may use other words which I used in previous videos like a flux of, a plethora of, several, and so on. Our third word is outcome, which means result. The fourth word is reckless, which means careless. You can use this word even in the writing module. You can say that accidents are being increased due to reckless driving and so on. The fifth word is endeavored, which means tried. You can use this word in your writing module, which would be more effective. The next is to turn a deaf ear. It is an idiom which means to refuse to listen. When someone does not act upon our advice, that time this idiom can be used. The next is out of a question. It means not possible, that cannot happen. The eighth word is dilemma. It means confusion. When you feel confused about something, this word can be used. The ninth word is dissuade. It means to convince someone not to take a specific action. The last one is no use to cry over spilt milk. It means not useful to feel upset about something that has already happened because it cannot be undone. Now we will move to our answer for this cue card. So, first we will make an intro. We take various decisions in our day to day life. Some are in our favor, while others are hard to digest. Although I have taken a myriad of decisions in my life, here I would like to talk about a decision which was made by my friend and I disagreed. The first point is what the decision was. I vividly remember when I was in the 12th grade, my friend Rohan decided to skip the English class in order to watch a movie. He made this decision along with two other students of our class and didn't even think about the outcome of such a reckless decision. Our next point is what did you do? When they asked me to accompany them, I immediately refused. Even I endeavored to convince them not to bunk the school, but they turned a deaf ear to my advice. Next point is why you disagreed. I didn't support the idea as bunking school didn't seem right to me. Also, going for a movie without parents' permission was out of a question. When they were forcing me to go with them, I was in a dilemma. But I knew that my family is extremely strict, so I said a firm no to them and again tried to dissuade them. However, they had made up their mind and went for the movie. Our last point is what was the outcome? Unfortunately, our class teacher came to know about it, so on the next day they were given punishment. Not only did they feel upset, but also regretted their decision. Nevertheless, it was of no use to cry over spilt milk. Finally, they realized their mistake and apologized me. So it was the time when I was not in the favor of a decision made by one of my friends. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe and also share it with your friends.